let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video. This is just me trying to help the girls out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, then hey, what's up? Welcome. My name is Zay. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys how to successfully shop for affordable hair on Aliexpress, because I know y'all be seeing these big companies like Bayani and Big O and all these other companies that sell hair for a more non-affordable price. Still good hair for the most part, but just not super affordable. So I'm here to help my girls who price range be in like the hundreds to like the upper 200s, lower 300s. Like, I'm here for you. I got you, sis. So if you know that this video is for you, then keep watching. But before we get into the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to the channel, because I promise you're gonna love it here. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so for starters, we are going to open our Aliexpress app. If you don't have the Aliexpress app, I highly recommend you get it. So I'm going to screen record everything to make just this explanation easier, so it's not like y'all just listening and watching me talk. I'm going to give you guys a visual of everything. So let me go ahead and screen record and also show you what the Aliexpress app looks like. Okay, so this is the Aliexpress app right here. It is this orange reddish looking app. So you're going to click it and you're going to type in whatever type of hair you're looking for. If you're looking for Brazilian hair, type in Brazilian hair. If it's like Brazilian hair wigs, Brazilian hair wigs. If you're looking for bundles in a closure, all of that good stuff. So we're gonna type in Brazilian hair wigs. So when you type in that, you're gonna get a whole lot of. So now from there, the best thing to do is to filter your searches. So you're gonna click filter and you're gonna put in your preference, because again, we're shopping for affordable hair and you want what you can afford. You want what exactly you're looking for to be presented in front of you, because with Aliexpress, it's a whole lot of things. It's like shopping on Amazon. So it's a whole lot of things. You're gonna have a whole lot of things in front of you that just may not be of use to you if that's not what you're looking for. So right now, just for the sake of this video, we're gonna put the minimum price $150, maximum price $300. Okay, so from there, when you do that, it's already gonna give you brands that are in your you know. So with these brands listed here, Aliexpress is a very good hair company. Icy Hair has good hair, and Tinashe Hair, and that is from me speaking from the brands that I have experienced. Oh, so if you click more, Eunice is also a good brand as well. So of all these brands, I'm gonna click Eunice, okay, and then I'm gonna press done and we're gonna go from there. So now with that, let's see, we're gonna scroll, and instead of a frontal, let's click this one right here that says Eunice Hair 13x6 HD lace. We're gonna click that, right? So when you click that, oh, see, first thing I see, customer reviews. There's only one review, but the reviews are the most important part. So when you're searching and you find something, always go through the reviews. You read the reviews, you read the reviews, you read the reviews, and you don't stop reading the review until you feel convinced enough to purchase from this seller. If you see the reviews and you see more bad reviews than good reviews, don't keep searching for a good review, because you see so many bad reviews for a reason. The first thing I see is not HD lace. That's already false advertisement. I don't want to shop here. So now we Xing it out and we going back. So another thing to pay attention to is, you see where it says sold On some it says 58 sold, 20 sold, 9 sold. I'm going to search for the one that has the most sells. So something that has like 1 sold, only 1 person purchased it. It's not enough to give me the good enough feedback that I need, or the reviews that I need to know if this is worth my purchase. So we're gonna keep scrolling. We're gonna keep scrolling, and everything says 7 sold, 1 sold, and then we're just gonna go back up to where it says 20 sold, right? And again, this is just me searching off a whim, because I'm not searching specifically. But if you need something specific, like a 13 by 6 frontal, you type that in. If you need like a 5 by 5 closure, you type that in. But the main important thing is to read the reviews. So this one right here has 4 customer reviews. We're going to click that, and you're going to read the reviews. What I like to do also is to look at pictures. I need to see what the hair is hitting for. Sorry, I don't know who this person is, but sorry. Let me get you off my YouTube. And another review that is not so great. We don't like that, okay? The wig was shipped fast, but this unit frontal doesn't come with any stretch to fit ear to ear. That's not really the hair company's problem. That just means your head is kind of pretty big. You're better off making your own wig instead. Customer service was great though. Just won't be paying $197 for this again. $197 is a damn good price for a wig. So you're gonna keep scrolling, and you want to look at the reviews. That is my main tip. Look at the reviews. So now if you want something a bit more specific, instead of Brazilian hair wigs, and if you want to search for a specific hair brand, you're just gonna type in the hair brand, Unice Hair. From that, it should take you to the hair's store. Oh, I like this filter better. So once you type in Unice Hair, you see the second item where it says super deals. It has 1,863 units sold. So I'm gonna click on that, okay? I'm gonna click on it. Hey Glow Princess. I'm gonna look through the videos, I'm gonna look through the pictures and see what it's hitting for. So now, let's say you go through all the reviews, you see everything is good, and it's like, all right, now I want to purchase. This is what I'm gonna go for. So once you decide to purchase, you see the screen, you see where it says 9 stretch, length, ships from, density, specifications, all of that. So you're gonna click that. This is where you decide what you want. So if you want 28 inches, I'm gonna click 28 inches because y'all know I love my length. And you see how the price automatically updates. So 28 inches would be $330. If I click 12 inches, that's $94.50. 24 inches, $159. 26, y'all get it, so forth, so on. But we're gonna go, all right, we're gonna go with 26 because 28 is just a little bit out of our price range. 2 inches won't make a difference, right? So we're gonna dumb it down 2 inches and save a whole lot of more money. So then you'll decide if you want it to ship from China or the US. I usually decide whichever one is cheaper. China is a little bit more expensive by $1. So we're gonna ship from the US because it's gonna come a little faster anyway. Next, you're gonna choose your density and the size of your closer or the frontal that you want. So the 26-inch 4x4 180 density closure, that's what was $185. Now, if you want a 13x4 18, if you want a 13x4 HD frontal, 180 density, that's gonna bump your price up because 1, a frontal is larger than the closure. 2, 180 density is not the normal density. The normal density is usually 150. So 180 density is just going to be a little bit more pricey. $289, 26 inches HD frontal, that's not bad at all. So we're gonna go for it, okay? So now you're gonna scroll down to see what quantity you want. If you want to buy 1 wig, if you want to buy 2 wigs, if you want to buy 3 wigs, and so on and so forth. And then, as you can see, if you look at the top, it says what? Free shipping. So then we're gonna add it to our cart. When you add it to your cart, what's very, very, very important about Aliexpress, if you already have an account, always check your account to see if you have any coupons or codes that you can use. So I have here 12 coins available. The 12 coins only take off 24 cents, but honestly, something is better than nothing. Okay, I also have a store coupon for $10 that took off $10, so that's also great. I believe that store coupon is taking off shipping, but now with like taxes and all that good stuff, the price went up to $304. But okay, that's still in my budget, because remember, my initial budget was $150 to $300. See where I'm going here? I ain't gonna pay for this now because oh, not my address up here at the top. I'm not gonna pay for this now because I don't need it. But yes, so leave. So that is pretty much how I would shop on AliExpress. I hope that this was pretty informative. So when looking to shop on AliExpress, my top vendors that I would usually go for is Unice Hair Company, Icy Hair, Beauty Forever Hair, Tinashe Hair, and Ali Pearl and Ali Grace. But with every vendor, certain hair is better, certain hair textures are better than others. For example, I've purchased the 613 hair from Ali Pearl before, was not so great in comparison to their deep wave curly hair. I've been wearing that hair for over 2 years now, and it's still amazing. So I will always go to Ali Pearl for deep wave curly hair, and I'd probably get my 613 hair from maybe Tinashe or Unice. So now when shopping from Unice or Unice, however you want to say it, I wouldn't get their deep wave curly hair, but I would definitely always go there for their straight hair and their body wave hair. So when you get more familiar with these AliExpress brands, it'll be a bit easier to shop throughout them. But those are my top 5 hair companies from AliExpress, and those are my top 5 because those are the companies that I have tried. But I'm sure there are other companies that are really good as well. The main thing when shopping on AliExpress, the main important thing is to read the reviews and see how many items have been sold. If you see that it's only 20 sold or it's only 3 sold, to me that's not good enough. It's just not good enough, and I'm going to aim for something that has over 100 items sold, or even 300, over 300 sold. But you see the item where we saw it was 1,800 items sold, that is great. That is what I'm gonna go for, because that's what I know majority of the people who have purchased from this vendor, this is what they purchase, and they must be purchasing this for a reason. And then when you see how much is sold, you get more reviews to go through and see if it's worth your money. And lastly, I will say it's also important to keep in mind that if your budget is not too high, you kind of get what you pay for. And usually with AliExpress, in my experience, 1, you get what you pay for, and 2, sometimes you may not get lucky. Sometimes you just may not get lucky. You may shop with a vendor multiple times and you get really good hair, and then the 5th time you shop with them, the hair is not so great. But it's always important to reach out, because usually the customer service is great and they will assist you and help you in the best way that they can. Lastly, let me tell you that this is not a sponsored video. This is just me trying to help the girls out. So just keep in mind that you get what you pay for, you get what you get, and you don't get upset. Reach out to customer service. If customer service is great, you will be in great hands. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you guys did take something out from this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down something below. If you have any extra tips and tricks for anyone who is watching, go ahead and comment down below, because I'm sure that they will check the comments. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I promise you're gonna love it here, okay baby? I promise you're gonna love it here. That is pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Happy shopping.